Okay, these are the videos for the grade 10 practice control test, and let's just start. The first question, they want you to expand, to multiply this out. And you see 5x minus 1, you see x plus 2 here multiplied together, and then minus 2. Well, this is a FOIL situation. We have to go 5x times x, we get 5x squared. Now, there's an outside one, 5x times 2, that gives us 10x. And then there's an inside product you have to do. The minus 1 times x is minus 1x. Well, the 10x minus the 1x, that gives you 9x. Now, the last product is minus 1 times 2. That's negative 2. But then there's a minus 2 there as well. Well, we've got 5x squared plus 9x, but minus 2 is minus 4. And there you go. That's pretty well it. Okay, now let's just take a look at, actually, well, there's all the answers, but we don't want them right there. Okay, now let's see if we can multiply this binomial by this trinomial. Well, each one gets a turn. You know, the 3x gets multiplied by every one, and the 1 gets multiplied by everything. But this is the way I like to do it. I know that there's only one cubed form there. 3x times x squared, that's going to give me 3x cubed. Now there's two types of x squareds. There's 3x times 2x, and there's 1 times x squared. Well, 3 times 2 is 6x squared plus 1x squared. That gives me 7x squared. Now there's two types of x's happening here, the 3x times the 5 and the 1 times the 2x. Well, that's 15x, and that's 2x, that's 17x. And then the last product, 1 times 5 is 5. Now you can do it in a different order and combine the like terms, but you're going to get exactly this answer. Like you can multiply 3x times each thing, and then 1 times each thing, and then combine them. And get the answer, but you're going to end up with 3x cubed, 7x squared, 17x, and 5. Well, here's a question that's a little bit weird, a little bit different. It says, what would you have to add to x squared minus x plus 9 so that it was equal to x plus 3 squared? Well, you better figure out exactly what x plus 3 squared is. And now some people just go, oh, x is squared and 3 is squared, so it's x squared and 9. They forget about the outside and the inside product. You see, x plus 3 squared means x plus 3 multiplied by itself. And there's 4 products. X times x is x squared. The 3 times 3 is 9. But there's an x times 3 and a 3 times x, the outside and the inside products. And they give you 6x. Well, what would I have to add to minus x to turn it into plus 6x? Well, to minus 1, I'm going to need to add 7. So the answer must be 7x must be added. Okay, there's our first 3 questions.